remove the door panel, and if we go right over here, we will see a little cover, and underneath there is a Phillips head screw, so we got to remove that. And if we come down here, underneath the door pole, we'll see another cover, another Phillips head screw. Got to remove that. And if we come up here on the end of the door panel, we'll see this little cover, and there's a Phillips head screw. And there is one on the other end of the door panel, right over here. So we need to pry that off and remove that Phillips head screw. Now I just removed that screw right there. And after we do that, we can just remove that bezel right there. Alright, we should be able to remove our door panel now. Okay. All loose. Lift up on it. There we go. I have an electrical connection in the back. Right back here we have an electrical connection. There it is. And the door panel is all off. Alright, now we're going to peel back our weather barrier. Alright, our weather barrier is all removed, and now we can see our window motor. There it is, right there. So what we're going to do is remove that electrical connection and remove these 3 10mm headed nuts. Now we can remove the electrical connector. There we go. Here is the last nut on the motor. And we should be able just to remove our motor. Alright, have a little persuasion. Okay. Here comes our motor. Pretty compact unit. So that's all there is to removing a window motor from a Kia Soul.